Joe, me got to go, me on my. Me gotta go pour the pill down the barrel. My dog, sweetest one, me on my. So we're gonna have big fun on the bottle. Yeah, Caroline, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. For tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle O'Neal. Hit guitar, fill fruit jar, and begin. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah. Tippy-do, Fontainebleau, places a buzzing. Kinfolk come to see Bon by the dozen. Dressed in style, go hog wild, real mile. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. For tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle O'Neal. Pick guitar, fill fruit jar, and begin. Son of a gun, you'll have big fun on the bayou. Settle down far from town, get me a beer. I'm gonna catch all the fish in the bayou. Swap my mud to buy Yvonne what she need. Son of a gun, gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah, jambalaya, crawfish pie, filet gumbo. For tonight I'm gonna see my Michelle O'Neal. Pick guitar, fill fruit jar, and begin. Son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. Yeah, son of a gun, we're gonna have big fun on the bayou. Cajun chord there. Welcome to Carmine's Country Corner up here at Bob Smith Toyota downtown.
Well, we'd give him
Block
away.
the center. Yeah, his wife. Go ahead. You say it.
He'd give him away, but his wife won't let him.
That's right, folks. It wasn't for that wife of his went all that free Toyotas. Anyway, yeah, old Mike and Pete. Pete's the son, Mike's the dad, and they got Bob Smith Toyota. And they were nice enough, I say this every week, to open their place and let us have this corner, and we call this Carmine's Country Corner.
and my good friends come up and play. We do not have a guest artist this week.
Well, I'm it.
It's just a band. We got, but I called Gary Swan, and today's his birthday. And so I said, Gary, would you do me a favor? It's your birthday. We're not going to get a guest artist. Would you just dress up for once? And so he did. And he looks great.
He looks like a whole carnival right
He
there.
does,
all
I'm
by
telling
himself.
you. And he brought a lovely friend with him.
She's wanted in 4 countries, so we can't put her on camera.
What's her name again?
Tiffany.
Tiffany. I keep wanting to say
Hi,
Stephanie.
Tiffany.
Sorry, Tiffany. And Buddy's lovely wife, Marina, is here. Buddy's here. Dan is at the helm with my daughter, Kim, running the show. And we're here just to do an hour of music. Now, we're doing the show early today, live. But at 6 o'clock, Kim will rerun the show. So those of you who don't get this and tune in at 6 will see the show.
Like,
So,
how many of you actually knew we were going on at 2 today, right?
Probably only the few that might be
Us.
linked to it. Yeah, I didn't even tell Susie.
I wasn't sure.
I know.
I didn't know it was 12
But we're here, and Bob Gother is kind of becoming like a regular member of the band. He's here every week, and I just love him, and he plays so good. And my brother Buddy is going to come up in a little bit and do some stuff with us like he does he likes to drop by. Every Friday, Saturday night, weather permitting, if you go to a place called Pepe's in Montrose, it's a Mexican restaurant. They've got really good food. I ate there a lot. You'll see Buddy like somewhere between 5 and 7, that kind of a time. Sometimes it fluctuates a little. He does a thing up there and he draws quite a crowd too. I got to tell you, they stand around and
He's right out there on the sidewalk.
he's right there, right in front of the place.
But he's not literally unhoused.
No,
Except for those few minutes.
That's it. That's
Well,
it.
no,
Those
are
few
they there
hours.
to admire him or to protest him? I never got that straight. Buddy, are they protesting you or loving you?
Shut up. Anyway, so
I'll take that as a yes.
I walked at Osprey Farm last night, and they had like almost 30,000 people in the park, which is for them pretty good crowd, and we had a great time. We did some Christmas stuff, and all the little kids get out in front and dance because it's a real family deal down there, and they're just so great. So
Well, I'd like to thank them for bringing us down there for the party.
yeah, well, all you had to do was pay, I think, what is it, $60 now, $80 to get in? And come on, join us. No problem. Anyway, Paul, do another one real quick, and then we'll go from
well,
there.
I'm going to do a Christmas song written by Roger Miller,
Love this song.
and I'm pretty sure that Gary is going to sing along with me as soon as like the second time the chorus comes around. By then he'll know it. In the key of D. D, everybody. Old toy train. Just vamp in D. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2. Old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells, bringing old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys coming from a sack, carried by a man dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys, coming from a sack, carried by a man, dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells, bringing old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys, coming from a sack, carried by a man, dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Close your eyes, listen to the skies. All is calm, all is well. Soon you'll hear Kris Kringle and the jingle bells, bringing old toy trains, little toy tracks, little boy toys, coming from a sack, carried by a man, dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed? Carried by a man, dressed in white and red. Little boy, don't you think it's time you were in bed?
We nailed it.
Absolutely.
I think we almost got it that time.
So,
Pretty good. Yeah, man, buddy, come on up. We'll start you early tonight. He brought his 12 string. The birds. I'm just gonna raise this up.
Six.
Turn the whole thing around.
6 extra strings, no extra charge.
You just turn that one up and down. If you want to tilt it, you can tilt it, whatever you want.
Well, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah.
I thought it was Halloween. I put pumpkins all over my house. I'm getting old. Let's do Tonight the Bottle Let Me Down.
Okay.
Key of E.
E, 151.
Maybe 151. Sure.
You want just regular?
I should like it. Each night I leave the barroom when it's over, not feeling any pain at closing time. Tonight your memory left me much too sober. I couldn't drink enough to get you off my mind. Tonight, the bottle let me down, and let your memory come around. The one true love I thought I'd found. Tonight, the bottle sunshine. Lately I've been turning every day. The wine don't take effect the way it used to. I'm hurting in a most familiar way. Tonight the bottle let me down. And let your memory come around. The one true friend I thought I'd found. Tonight the bottle let me down. You want one time enough? Tonight the bottle let me down. And let your memory come around. The one true friend I thought I'd found. Tonight the bottle let me down. Tonight the bottle let me down. All right, let's do a beautiful body in the key of D.
Check it out.
If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Swear you were an angel, would you treat me like the devil tonight? If I were dying of thirst, flowing love, come quench me. If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? We can talk all night about the weather. Tell you about my friends out on the coast. I could ask a lot of crazy questions, or ask you what I really wanna know. If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? I swear you were an angel, would you treat me like the devil tonight? If I were dying of thirst, if flowing love, come quench me. If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? You got it, Gary. Rain could fall so soft against the window. Sun could shine so bright up in the sky. Daddy always told me don't make small talk. He said come right out and say what's on your If I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? And if I said you had a beautiful body, would you hold it against me? Thank you, guys.
Thank you, folks. I keep forgetting he's taller than I am. I hate that. Actually, I love it. Buddy, you look great. You sound great. Marina, you should be proud. I know you are. Gary, you want to do one?
Why not?
Let's go.
Do that Christmas in Florida song.
That's a good song.
You want to do that one?
Sure.
Just for
New York City. You said Florida.
All
Being
my,
a smart
all my
guy.
professional musician friends said, "Did you write that?" They always say that. Like Albert and Lou go, "Did you write that?" Oh, hell yeah, I wrote it. Yeah.
Thanks for watching, folks, and this show will repeat itself at 6 o'clock tonight because I got a little gig. Gary and I have got to get over to
My birthday party.
Camarillo or somewhere to do a thing,
my
so we're
birthday
gonna have some fun.
party.
Okay.
Full of big stars. Are you coming? When? Tonight. Where? Camarillo. You going?
State hospital? You're in the hospital there, Camarillo?
Invite everybody on parole.
You go to Bliss's?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I gotta do some else.
All right, start in Swan.
Huh?
C. By now in New York City, there's snow on the ground. And out in California, the sunshine's falling down. Maybe down in Memphis, Graceland's all alive. And in Atlanta, Georgia, there's peace on earth tonight. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pine. Merry Christmas in Dixie to everyone tonight. It's windy in Chicago, kids are out of school. There's magic in Motown, the city's on the move. Jackson, Mississippi, Southern Carolina, all across this nation, it's a peaceful Christmas time. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pines. Merry Christmas from Dixie to everyone tonight. Christmas in Dixie, it's snowing in the pines. Merry Christmas in Dixie to everyone tonight. Merry Christmas in Dixie. And have a good night.
song, and you sing it pretty too.
Yes, I haven't sang in a
Gary,
year.
happy birthday, buddy.
It's my birthday. I can
It's your
cry if I
birthday.
want to. Cry if I want to.
Okay, I'm
I'm
sure.
gonna do another one because it's my birthday. So everybody just shut up.
You gonna do it right now?
Right this
That's
second.
funny. You're gonna be singing over the top of me.
Oh, okay.
No, go ahead, do it.
Here's a tune called Old Lonesome Me. Key G.
G. Great song.
Kick it off, Palmer. Everybody's going out, having fun. I'm just a fool saying on, having none. Can't get over how she's setting me free. Oh, lonesome me. The big mistake I know I made, hanging around. I know that I should be living now, painting the town. Thought of everything, A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. I bet she's not like me. She's got a fancy free, flirting with a boy with all her charm. Well, I still love her so, and brother, don't you know, I'd welcome her right back here in my arms. Well, it must be somewhere I can lose this lonesome blue. Get up at the bed and find somebody new. Thought of everything, A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. Pick it, Bob. Oh, I bet she's not like me. She's out of fancy free, flirting with a boy, all her charm. Well, I still love her so, oh yeah. Brother, don't you know, welcome her right back here in my arms. It must be somewhere I can lose this lonesome blue. Get up at the bed, find somebody new. All of everything, A to Z. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me.
Jingle all the way. I had to laugh at myself in that song because the bridge came and I went out to lunch.
You
Again.
didn't go over the bridge?
I did. I played it, but I got to listen back to what I played because I have no idea what it was. Watch this again at 6 o'clock, folks, and you'll see what happened. 'Cause to me right now, it's a mystery. But anyway,
It's always been a mystery.
Paul. Oh, Bob, wait. You want to sing a song this week?
I don't mind, yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Let's do a song called My Babe. It's kind of a
I
blues
know
thing.
it and I love it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great song.
Key of D,
Good song.
D dog. As opposed to E dog, that's D dog.
I need to say something only because Dan Hugot was the smart guy on this deal here. I got here a couple of hours early, and I'm doing a few more little things to the set. You know, this is kind of like a labor of love for me because, so I always get here a few hours early on Sundays, and I put a little more stuff on the tree, and I moved a few things around, and I changed the star to a silver star because I didn't like this yellow thing that was up there. It didn't look good with the green. So we got this other star, and I hung it there, just because I thought, why waste it? Put it somewhere. It'll glow. And Dan walks in and says, "Do you have a star in your amp because you're the star of the show?" And I said, I hadn't thought about that when I put it up. But now that I think about it, I mean, that is my name on the neon sign there. And it is kind of Carmine's Country Corner, so there's my star.
You should have that every week.
No, it'll probably be gone by the first of the year when the Christmas season ends. Yeah.
It'll be on Gary's amp.
Yeah. I'm going to do that. Anyway, I wanted to make fun of the star. Is Susie walk in? Oh, baby, am I happy to see you. That's my wife, Susie. She's the better half of this whole thing. Anyway, Bob, you were going to do one.
Yeah. It's called My Babe.
My Babe, let's do it. Okay, D.
Key of D, dog. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. My babe, I don't stand no cheating, my babe. My babe, I don't stand no cheating, my babe. My baby don't stand no cheating. All she does is midnight creeping, my babe. True little baby, my babe. My babe, I know she loves me, my babe. My babe, I know she loves me, my baby. My baby, I know she loves me. All she wants to do is kiss and hug me, my babe. True little baby, my babe. Gary. Come on. My babe, and I know she loves me, my babe. My babe, I know she loves me, my babe. My baby, I know she loves me. All she does is kiss and hug me, my babe. True little baby, my babe. John. Yeah, my baby don't stand no fooling, my babe. My baby don't stand no fooling, my babe. Oh, my baby don't stand no fooling. When she's hot, there ain't no cooling, my babe. True
Something like that. Thank you.
Dave.
Blue and broken hearted me, holding to memories since you've been gone. No matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken hearted me. Play it. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel, but I love you, Susie. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. And since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue, it's blue, it's blue. Can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken hearted me. Since you've been gone, baby, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken hearted me. You know, those lights bounce off my guitar neck, and sometimes it sounds like I'm playing jazz, because I am. Anyway, thanks. How much time we got? Buddy, come on up, do another one. Hey!
Good song.
Let's pick it up, boys.
You kick it off any place you want to.
Yeah, do it all.
Do it up a little bit. Yeah, whatever you want to do. From now. I change.
Stopped off at a roadhouse in Texas, little place called Hamburger Dan. Well, I heard that jukebox a play, a song they called the Truck Driving Man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it's the best in the land. I put a quarter in the jukebox and played a truck driving man. You got a ball. Waitress then poured me some coffee. Well, I thanked her and called her back again. I said, this old song should have suited me, for I'm a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it's the best in the land. I put a quarter in the jukebox and played a truck driving man. I climbed back aboard my old semi, and in a flash I was gone. I got them big wheels a-rolling, I'm on my way to San Antonio. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it's the best in the land. I pour a quarter in the jukebox and play the truck driving man. I'll play the truck driving man.
Buddy, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you, guys.
So Buddy doesn't make it up here every week, but we sure love it when he shows. He's got a big family, lots of kids and things to do. So, Buddy, thank you so much for coming. Next week, we're doing the whole show. Me, you, Louis, Phil, Tony. I'm going to have some of my sisters come up. We're doing a kind of a family Christmas thing, you know. Swan, hit us with something.
Whenever you come around.
I love that song.
Gee.
I don't like anything.
Face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I lie awake at night, wishing you were mine. Standing here all day, come around. And when you smile, that smile will turn upside down. Whenever you come around, whenever you come around.
Yeah, man. Good job, Gary Swan, on your birthday, right? Did you get a picture of the cupcakes? Hey, get a close-up of the cupcakes, please.
Yeah.
Dan's asleep.
You can order your cupcake, my
There he
birthday
is.
cupcake, for $20 plus shipping and
Yes.
handling.
Now we got a problem here. There's 10 people. There's only 9 cupcakes.
We're gonna have to kill
Somebody's
somebody.
gonna get screwed. Probably gonna be me.
You can have mine.
I can't. I'm the star of the show. How can they goof me on? What the hell's going on it?
Somebody's gonna have to.
How much time we got? We got time for about one more, I think. Yeah, 2 more. Paul,
The end is not in sight,
I
my
love that
friends.
song.
The key of E.
Hey,
And just as a reminder, there are no 5s in this song.
how often we forget.
No refunds.
Yeah, starting on coming in on the 4. 1, 2, oh, 1, 2.
Guess I knew it all along. We'd have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Like sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth. Yeah, that sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer, the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, lay my head up on her shoulder. Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home.
is this living on the road? Only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Take us home, Carmine. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight.
Damn! That sounded just like the record to me.
That's on the record. You've heard the record?
Twice. And that's how I learned the song. I learned every song that way. Anyway, we got about 3 minutes. Bob, you want to take us out tonight?
Yeah, let's do Hey Good Looking as a rumba feel.
I love that feel. Let's do it. What key?
Like 2, 5, C.
You got it. Okay, folks, we're going to go out swinging with this song. Thanks for watching. We love you all. Have a great Christmas. If I don't see you between now and then, we will be here next week. We're kind of a family Christmas show. And so that's it. Thanks. Thanks. Tell a friend. Push the like button. Push the share button. Help us promote this thing. And this will rerun again at 6 o'clock tonight, our usual time, because I've got something else I got to do. Okay. Bobby, take us home.
Here we go. Hey Good Looking. Here we go. 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3. Say hey good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey sweet baby, don't you think maybe we can find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot pot Ford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over the hill. There's soda pop and the dance is free. So if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? right, thank you.
Thanks for coming. Bob, thank you, man. Great job. Oh, Paul, thanks.
Hey, man. That was fun.
Fun set.